देशात 8 ते 14 मे दरम्यान तापमानात सरासरीपेक्षा जास्त वाढ होणार असल्याची माहिती हवामानशास्त्र विभागाने दिली आहे। भारतीय हवामान खात्याने 2020 मधील उष्णतेबाबत अनुमान अहवाल जाहीर केला आहे। त्यामुळे यावर्षी उष्णतेची लाट तीव्र स्वरूपात असून नागरिकांनी आवश्यक ती काळजी घ्यावी असं आवाहन करण्यात आलं आहे। उष्ण वातावरणामुळे लोकांना होणारे आजार व सध्या सुरू असलेली कोरोनाची लढाई यामुळे दवाखान्यातील गर्दीबाबत नियोजन करण्याची सूचनाही देण्यात आल्या आहेत। उष्णतेमुळे होणारे आजार व मृत्यू टाळण्यासाठी नागरिकांनी उपाययोजना राबवाव्यात, कारण अगोदरच आरोग्य यंत्रणेचा कोरोनाबाबत लढा सुरू असल्यानं तसंच आता येणाऱ्या उष्णतेमुळे लोकांची प्रतिकारशक्ती कमी होऊन संसर्ग होण्याची शक्यता नाकारता येत नाही। यावर्षी उष्णतेची लाट तीव्र स्वरूपात असल्यानं आवश्यक काळजी घेणं गरजेचं आहे, अशी सूचना भारतीय हवामान खात्यानं दिल्या आहेत।
Indian Meteorological Department's extended range forecast, which forecasts the weather parameters for the month of May 2020, has given the forecast that in the second week of May, that means from 8th to 14th of May, the maximum temperatures could be of the range of 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. That means that would be up to a range of 3 to 4 degrees Celsius above normal temperature. During that period, the normal temperature for Panaji is around 34 degrees Celsius from 8th of May to 14th of May. Now the forecast has come that the temperature could be around 37 degrees Celsius. That means 3 to 4 degrees higher than normal. In such conditions, it would be advisable that public should avoid direct exposure to sunlight, and they should keep themselves hydrated and avoid any chance of dehydrating, because the heat of about 3 to 4 degrees Celsius high can affect the comfort levels, and also in that period of time there will be a lot of humidity also in the atmosphere. So along with this heat and humidity, that may cause discomfort, and it is always advised that in such conditions people should avoid, they should consume a lot of liquid and should avoid getting dehydrated.
8 मे ते 14 मे या कालावधीत उष्णतेची लाट येण्याची शक्यता वर्तवण्यात आली असून प्रशासनानं संबंधित खात्यांना सतर्क राहण्याच्या सूचना केल्या आहेत। त्याचप्रमाणे परिस्थितीला सामोरं जाण्यासाठी आवश्यक ती उपाययोजना करण्यासाठीही सांगितलं आहे।
So, how can we protect ourselves from this heat wave? So, the most important point is to stay indoors and to stay hydrated. Sit under the fan, use curtains or sunshades, open windows for cross ventilation, and if we are using AC, make sure your temperature is 25 degrees, not less. If more, very good. People who don't have AC can use damp cloths or bed sheets or towels on the floor, so it can keep the room cool. Also wear light colored cotton clothes to keep ourselves cooler. If you are feeling ill or giddy or vertigo or any other problems, immediately rush to the doctor, and keep your animals indoors in the shade and leave them a lot of water to hydrate themselves. Avoid going out in the sun, especially during the peak hours, that is 12 noon to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Also avoid cooking at peak hours of the time. Eat light, nourishing foods and drink at least minimum 3 liters of water. Avoid eating spicy food, masala food, and meats, eggs, fish. Avoid tea, coffee, and also smoking and drinking alcohol. Also avoid high protein diets and eat only fresh fruits. Avoid eating stale food. So stay hydrated, stay cool, stay indoors, be safe. God bless.